Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson and I'm back with another braided updo. For this you don't have to be able to make that braid. Just take the front hair that goes from the middle of the head until over your ear more or less and make a regular Dutch braid. I'm pulling the braid first into the back of my neck more or less to give it the direction, and then I just braid it until the very end, massaging the braid, just pulling carefully at the outer edges. Here I do the same. You see the parting, and I am braiding into the middle or to the direction of the middle of my neck. Braid again nearly until the end. Then massage the outer edges. In between, in the middle of my head, I'm going to make a ponytail with the rest of the hair, and I do a rope twist braid. So twist the hair, then I'm holding some hairs and pull it up to make everything fluffy and bigger, so give it a lot of volume. Even this is a little amount of hair, now I have a bigger bun. Just pin it into place, hide loose ends if there are some, use enough bobby pins. And then I'm tying together the two braids, give them a twist around, and the ends you hide under the hair. Therefore, I loosened one bobby pin that I put in now again. Then fix the braid on the right and on the left, and that's it. No Dutch braid done. I hope you like the final result. It's super easy and quick done. If you are new on our channel, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and you can also click on the little bell. Then you get a notification every time we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you back very soon. Bye bye.